I left you off with the README file, but if we go to our Finder here, you can see we created this index file, but that's not really there. What is this? This is stupid, man. So we're going to add this file not along, but this is the last file we actually need to add in to get it online. We can do this kind of same thing we did before. We can do the git add and so on and so on, but I just want to show you an extra command to confuse you even more. It's called git space status. So if I do this, you can see something is red here, and what that means that there's a difference between the local repository you're working on your computer, my computer right now, and the one that's online on GitHub. So I just uploaded the README file. The reason the README file isn't shown here as red is because it's online and it's the exact same as the one on my machine. So you can use status, git status, to check if there's a version that's not the same as yours online. Right now we're going to make sure that it's the same one, so I'm just going to do the git add that you remembered from before. I did the git add space readme.md. I could just do a git add index file if I'm only want to be specific and upload that one file, or I could use the git add dot, which means all. Sometimes star is what you see in other programs like CSS and so on. But git add all, click enter, and then if we do a git status again, it's still going to, it's still only on your computer, but right now it's saying, oh, all these green files, they're now ready to be uploaded. So these files are now getting ready. And the next part we need to do is the git commit, like we did before. We're going to add a message, uploading the missing index.html. Descriptions is up to you what you do, short, long, whatever. But just make sure you do this. So this is now in the next path. This is what I did, and it says uploading the correct file. And now the last part for me to do, because we already did the commit, is just do a git push. So again, commit is making them just before, and the push is actually pushing them onto the actual interweb. So if I go back to my GitHub here, I click refresh, I can now see I have my idea folder, and I also have my index folder. And this is the message I use in when I do the commit. So it says first commit, and then here I do a uploading the missing index files, and over here I can see how long it's been since I did this. So 27 seconds and 5 minutes ago. So this is kind of how you start your own repository online, and then you can use, and so on and so on and so on. What's the next part is we can clone, other people can clone it down, and we can make changes as well. So the next one, I'm just going to quickly show you what the pull command can do. So let's look into that one.